Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and she writes, "Hello, hi, love your videos. I am planning a party for my husband's 50th birthday and the theme is cigars, cognac, kind of like Havana Nights. The colors I'm going for are beige, brown, white, or gold. Can you please help me? I'm planning to have the party very soon and I don't want to spend a lot of time or money creating the look." Well, this is from a friend of ours at Tiny Creations and it's my absolute pleasure to show you how to create this. Now, being that my dad is a 6-year lung cancer survivor, I'm going to stay away from the cigars and the cigar boxes, but I absolutely have pulled it together in this tall Eiffel Tower vase, your wonderful Havana Nights theme. So, with that being said, let's get started with this week's project, Havana Nights Celebration Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's go. So before we fill our 20-inch Eiffel Tower vase, we're going to go ahead and make the indentation on the bottom of our green foam pot filler. That way, once we're ready to attach it, we can just simply put hot glue in the indentation and attach it to the top of our Eiffel Tower vase. Next, let's fill our vase with our lovely brown sand. It just adds another texture as well as brings in that Havana feel. I kind of love it. Now that our vase is filled with sand, we can go ahead and attach our green foam pot filler, placing some hot glue in our indentation that we already made. To add a little glam to our Havana sparkles, we're going to take this sparkly jute ribbon and a floral pin and we're going to create bows with it. It's very super simple. So you just determine how big you want your bow. This one is right at about 3.5 inches once you place the pin in it, and then it's ready to attach to your centerpiece. We're going to add this final touch to our Havana Nights centerpiece with this 3-inch mini woven hat. I'm just simply going to attach some brown BOLO cord to the rim of it, and it just wakes it right up and it's ready to add that extra special touch for our extra special community member. We're going to cut a 1/4-inch dowel in half, right at about between 5 and 6 inches long. We're going to then place some hot glue inside of our hat. Go ahead and set that dowel in at a diagonal. That way your hat has a little attitude when you attach it to your centerpiece. Well, our friends at Tiny Creation, what do you think? I love it. I mean, this centerpiece gives off awesome party vibes. So get your dancing shoes on. I can feel it. I can feel it. If you like this video, please go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you would like an extra special notification, click on that little bell right there in the corner and you will get a special notification from us to you the moment the videos are live. Well, if you'd like to send us a question or just send us some words of encouragement, please by all means drop it in the comments below. And you can also follow us on our social media, and they are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Ebates rebate account, also known as Rakuten, please by all means don't miss this opportunity. Head on down to the description below. It's super simple. Click on the link, sign up for your Ebates account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and receive a lovely check at the end of the month. It's free, guys. Free, free money. Don't miss it. Also, don't forget to check out the wonderful planning guides we have at our store, MissPlanItShop.com. And I just am so grateful for all of the wonderful reviews and comments that we have gotten on them. I'm so glad they are helping you. That's exactly what they are there for. So head on over there, check out our downloadable planning guide so you don't have to worry about where you live in the world. They're available to you immediately through download. So very excited about that. And don't forget to check out our home channel. This week I'm going to be revealing all of the lovely decor that I'm using on the outside of my home just from me to you. So Merry Christmas. All right, guys, our time is just about up. I absolutely love spending it with you. I hope that you enjoy it as much as we do. And don't forget, the supplies, the links to the supplies for all of our projects are always in the description below, right there for you to use. You don't have to wonder where we got things from. All of the information is right there for you, as well as the project cost. So you can budget. It's all about a budget. Well, I hope you're enjoying your holiday. Thank you for spending this time with us. So with that being said, I'd like to say Merry Christmas. And until next time, take care. See you soon. God bless.